Malware is a category of malicious software that is developed with the express purpose of causing damage to or taking advantage of computer systems. It is possible for it to take many other forms, such as viruses, worms, and Trojan horses. In this video, we will go over some of the most common forms of malware, as well as ways that you may protect yourself from being affected by them. To begin, let's have a conversation about how to identify the symptoms of a malware infestation. Unexpected pop-up windows, performance that is far slower than typical, and weird error messages are some of the most common symptoms. If you see any of these signs on your computer, it is imperative that you act as quickly as possible to remove the malware and prevent any additional damage from occurring. To ensure that you have the most recent defense against the most recent malware threats, the first step is to update your operating system and antivirus software. Then, you may scan your computer with your antivirus program and delete any malware it discovers. You can utilize a free internet malware scanner to check for and remove malware from your system if you don't have antivirus software. Now that we've discussed how to detect and remove malware, let's move on to how to avoid it in the first place. Being cautious while opening emails and attachments is among the most effective strategies to protect yourself from malware. Email attachments, especially those from unknown sources, should be avoided since they may contain malware. Open email attachments only if you expect them and trust the sender. Another critical step you may take is to install a firewall. By preventing unwanted access, a firewall can help safeguard your computer from infection. You should also exercise caution when browsing websites, particularly ones that are unfamiliar to you or that you do not trust. Downloading content from unexpected websites should be avoided since it may contain malware. Finally, to make it more difficult for hackers to access your accounts and devices, make sure to use strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts. To guard against data loss due to malware infestation or other technological concerns, remember to periodically back up your data. These are some recommendations for identifying, eliminating, and avoiding malware. By following the best practices, you can help stop malware from attacking your computer and data. Thank you for viewing.